Everyone is using AI for digital marketing right now. But here's the problem. Most people are using the wrong tools. Or using the right tools the wrong way. And that's why they're not getting results. So in this video, I'll show you 5 AI tools that actually work. And how to use them in a way that gets real results. Quick truth, AI won't fix bad marketing. If your message is weak, your offer is unclear, or your content has no value, no tool will save you. But if you use AI correctly, it can make your marketing faster, sharper, and more effective. Tool 1, AI Writing Assistant, Content and Copy. First, AI Writing Tools. These help you create ad copy, emails, social media posts, landing page content. But here's where people mess up. They generate content, and post it exactly like that. That's why it feels robotic and gets ignored. What works is using AI as a starting point, then rewriting it to match your voice and audience. Think of it as a draft machine, not a final product. Tool 2, AI Analytics and Insights. Second, AI Analytics Tools. These tools analyze your data and tell you what's working, what's not, and where to improve. Instead of guessing, you're making decisions based on patterns. That's how you scale results. Not by posting more, but by posting smarter. Tool 3, AI AD Optimization. Third, AI for Ad Optimization. Platforms now use AI to test different headlines, images, target audiences, and automatically push what performs best. But here's the catch. AI can optimize, but it can't fix a bad offer. If your ad doesn't solve a real problem, no algorithm can save it. Tool 4, AI Video and Content Creation. Fourth, AI Video Tools. These help you create short-form videos, voiceovers, captions, scripts. This is huge, because content is what drives attention. But again, volume alone won't win. Quality and clarity still matter. The goal is not just to create more, but to create better. Tool 5, AI Automation, Email and Funnels. Fifth, AI Automation Tools. These handle things like email sequences, customer responses, lead nurturing. So instead of doing everything manually, your system works in the background. And that's where real marketing power comes from. Consistency without burnout. Cybersecurity warning. Now, this part is important. Not all AI tools are safe or reliable. Some tools store your data insecurely, reuse your content, or overpromise and underdeliver. Before using any tool, ask, do I trust this platform? What happens to my data? Because your marketing content is an asset. Key insight. Here's the truth most people ignore. AI doesn't make you a better marketer. Understanding your audience does. AI just helps you execute faster. If you focus on clear messaging, real value, and smart use of tools, you'll already be ahead of most people using AI blindly. If this helped you, share it with someone trying to grow online. And follow this channel for real, practical breakdowns of digital tools, scams, and how to stay ahead.